Hey people, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here on my hand, and basically what this is a memory foam bathroom rug. So you can use this like anywhere in your restroom, whether you guys want to put it near your shower or there like the counter where the sink is, or if you guys want to put it near your restroom where you guys are using the toilet. You can definitely use it in any kind of scenarios. But for this one in particular, it is made out of memory foam material. If you can see on the packaging right here, they mention how it has soft memory foam, super absorbent, non-slip backing, is fast drying, and it is machine washable. So if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to throw it into the washer before using it. But just for this test, I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what the product looks like when you guys open it up and put it down onto the floor. So let's do that first. And then right underneath that is the actual mat. Alright, so when you guys take it out, this is basically what it looks like. And when you guys fully open it up, this is how big it is. So there definitely is some that is bigger and some of them are smaller in terms of the length and the width. When you guys feel the material in here, it definitely feels really soft and definitely feels really nice. If you turn at the back side right here, it is a non-slip backing or a non-slip bottom right here. So once you put it onto the floor and try to move it, it will not move. So I'm actually put this on the floor and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you put it on the floor, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys come out of the shower, you have to just step on here and kind of just dry off your feet. So I'm going to just step on this right now. You can see that this is basically what it looks like. When I feel the material on here, it definitely feels really soft and really comfortable, especially because of the memory foam material on here. And no matter which part of the mat that I step on, it actually feels really nice. There are some that is shorter or some that's longer. If you guys want the one that are even longer, you can definitely go for those as well. And if you guys do get the longer ones, even longer than this one, you guys extend it all the way to your toilet, so that way you can actually just walk all the way to the toilet area and just use the toilet once you guys finish showering or whatever, which is pretty cool. But this one in particular is definitely long enough for me to come out for a shower and just step on here, and if I need to change or whatever, I can definitely do all that on here, which is pretty convenient. But this is basically what the overall product looks like and how to actually use it. If it's your first time using it, you definitely want to throw it into the washer to kind of wash it first to make sure it's clean before using it, because you don't know where it's been or where it's touched or whatever. So you definitely want to wash it first before you first use this. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we're unboxing and testing out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially when you're trying to look for a memory foam water mat or like a rug like this that you can use in the shower room to absorb any kind of water once you guys come out from the shower, and also get that comfort and support as well. Then this one in particular is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.